2014 Dodge Challenger V6. Really nice, pretty orange color. Got factory converters there and there. Factory X pipe right there. Then we put some DYNOMAX race bullets, part number 24250, right there on each side. And then we did a muffler, a rear resonator delete there and there, and put some quad tips there and there. As you guys can see, it looks very nice. This is everything we cut off of it right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh yeah, much better. There's sound decibels. I reached up to 114, guys. Go ahead and back it up. You like it? Yeah, I do. All right. Sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is everything we cut off of it right there. Dodge Challenger Beast.